Okay, welcome to this screencast. This is Brian Miller, the author of Found Money. As you can see, I'm currently in my web browser, karathaba.dcmembers.com, downloads.htm. And Found Money is currently at version 1014. You can download it from this link. There are also multiple other web pages, which I'm highlighting here, at which you can obtain this download. So we're going to download it, which I've already done previous to this screencast. I'm not going to lead you through the installation because right now I've already installed it, and I think that the installation should be very simple for you. I'm going to go ahead and load the program, and you can see it's a very simple, sort of cutish interface with the icon of the piggy bank. And basically the purpose of this is to track money that you either find, say you find a quarter on the sidewalk or you find a $10 bill in the mall, and that was actually the original purpose. We had a person request on the Donation Coder site to have a program to track money he had found, but I have also turned it into sort of a piggy bank money tracking application, so you can use it to track money you have either found or money that you've saved. And anytime you want to add a record, you just click Add Newly Found Money, and you choose a location. Maybe you had some money in your pocket at the end of the day, or you find some money in your driveway, in an article of clothing. You can actually add locations where money is found to this list, if you wish, by going to your File menu and adding a location using that menu right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just add a record. Let's say that it's the end of the day. We have a little bit of money left in our pocket. And let's say that we have $1 and 2 quarters and a nickel. We're just going to save that data. It's going to tell us that it was saved successfully. And as you can see, the file name where that information is saved is based upon the current date and time. And it's just a simple text file. Now, I've used the program for quite a while, and so I've got quite a few records in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this first menu item, View and Edit Past Finds. And you can choose to view only money that you have recorded as being found between two particular dates by using these date-time picker boxes. Or you can disregard the date range and show all records that have ever been saved, and I'm going to do that. I click it, you see this list box just fill up with records, and then down here at the bottom you see that it shows the total number of records, 117, and the total amount of money across all of those records. You can even break it down further by clicking this button, and it'll actually show you two pie graphs. The one on the left shows a breakdown of the different coin denominations, while the one on the right shows a breakdown of the bills. And then, of course, in the text box to the left, it gives you that same breakdown in text format. First, you have all the coins. There's 1,053 coins, and it gives you the breakdown, how many of those are pennies, how many are nickels, how many are dimes, and so on, and actually gives you the percentage of each coin type. And if you scroll on down and look at the bills, it also gives the percentage and total number of each bill as well. So a fairly handy program. So what I'm going to do, since I only added that last record just to kind of demonstrate the program, we're going to manage the records. We're going to delete selectively. We're going to pick that one record that we recorded on 12/31, and since it's a bogus record, I didn't really find any money, I'm going to delete that. It's going to ask me if I'm certain. I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to close that. So that's basically how the program works. There's an About dialog here. You can click on my picture or the email button to send me a message about the program. There's a hyperlink linking to my Donation Coder website. You can donate to me, which I would of course welcome. The credits button shows who coded it. And there's an update button that checks to see if there are any available updates, and as you can see, we're currently using the most recent version. So, not a terribly sophisticated program, but one that can be quite helpful. One more feature I'll show you is the search by criteria feature. Let's say that we want to search only for those entries in which there are exactly 7 pennies. So we're going to add that criteria to the list, and we're going to search against that criteria. We're going to search 116 files. We click OK, and as you can see, 5 of those 116 records have exactly 7 pennies in the record. So very handy ability to search and look like that. So we're going to go ahead and close out the program. A little version history kind of gives you a bird's eye view of the developer's process as he added features and corrected bugs. I hope you've enjoyed the screencast. I hope that you or someone you know may find the program useful, and if you know someone that might use the program, please pass the link on to them. Again, Kyr Athaba, which is spelled KYRAATHABA .dcmembers.com/downloads.htm to go to my webpage. Thank you.